This one, I need to tell you, Pamela, this one, heads up, 7-Up, is not forever. This one, I will not be reordering. This was a special one we decided to do. It will not be reordered. It's one and done, gone forever, and it's really fun. Now, just a heads up on this one is an A2 size card base. If you are a Gold Club member, it's $16 and change for an A2 full-size card base. This is what, here, I made some little, look at this. So this is what it is. It's called the Circle Edge A2. It is limited edition. We don't do limited edition very, very often. Barbara says, I'm glad I waited for the demo to decide what to order. Oh, Susan wants to know, what is the measurement of it folded? Good question, my love, and let me tell you right now. It is a little over 4 inches. It's like 4 and 1 line. I think that's 4 and 1/8 or 4 and 1/16. 4 and 1/16. And this one is 3 1/4. So 3 1/4 and a hair over 4. So good question. Now, this one, once it's gone, it will be gone forever. It will be gone. Denise says the Circle Edge card is so pretty. Yes, yes. Are you ready? Look at this. What it is, and let me show you one that like it's really going to show. This is the, there we go. Look at that edge, you guys. Now, yes, it comes with the words just because. Look at that edge. The back is solid. I can't get the right angle there. The back is solid. It has rounded edges on the back. So this is what it looks like on the back. We originally had it with this border, and oh, it didn't look good having it all circles. Look at how gorgeous this is, you guys. It does come with the words just because. It also comes with the words keep smiling. And
just a reminder, Stephanie, all the dies you're showing tonight are in the bundle, right?
Yes, thank you. All of these dies are in the bundle. Elizabeth says it looks like bubbles. I know, isn't that fun? Isn't it fun? So both sets of words, keep smiling and just because, are in this die set. Now, when I show you this die set, let's do 3. When I show you this die set, I need you to see all the awesome pieces you're getting. Again, it's one of those things where I was like, no, I want this, I want this, I want this. There's the card base. There's the card base. It will fit in a standard 6-inch machine. You have a layering die that looks like this and could go right there. That would be the plaid right here, right? Then you have a layering die that looks almost exactly the same, but it has pierced dots all the way around. And I don't know if we can get in on that pineapple paper. I don't think we can, but there's dots all the way around that. So then you have that layering die. Then you also have a layering die, which this is a funky die, so this one's good to have. It has point, point, round, round, right? It's gonna go right there for the back. So that way you can have that white background. See how the green is on the white? And then you open it up and then there's your white, right? So there we have that. Then, so those are those layering dies. Then you're also gonna have the just because, and that looks like this with the shadow die. And you're gonna have keep smiling with the shadow die. And keep smiling is also separate. So you could also say just keep smiling, or just because, or keep just smile, that's it. Just keep smiling is maybe the best one. Or just because, you can have it go long ways or whatever. So lots of options on that one. Now I wanted to show it to you really quick, all die cut out separately, and then I'm going to show you all my samples. Stay here. So here we have the card base, and poke it out. There we go. Fold it on the, look at that, gorgeous. Now we have this layering piece we could add. I did it in funky colors so you could really see it. I have this layering piece that goes back here, right? Or I have this pierced piece that goes here. These look similar. They are very similar, but one has the pierced dots, one does not. So that is this die set. Now this die set, keep in mind, you guys, there's the keep smiling. Keep in mind, this one is limited edition. Keep smiling. You can do it at an angle because it's by itself. Isn't that gorgeous? And who did this one? Yvette did this one. She added our circle background on it as well for like a stencil. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Teresa says pretty. Wendy says so pretty. Dawn says so pretty. Look at that. Keep smiling with some bows added on there. I love it. Jill says, I love this so much. Neat looking card die, Donna says. Dawn says, I'm happy that you made a bundle, plus being able to choose if you don't want the bundle. Yeah, Dawn, I really, really tried to make it as easy as possible for everyone. Some people just wanted to be able to grab it and not worry, and some people might want to just pick and choose. Just keep smiling. There we go. Just keep smiling with our cute little fairy on there. Isn't that gorgeous? Sorry to hear you are hurting. Here's to better days ahead. And that is the bandage to stamps. Ooh, look at this. Holiday wishes. Isn't that beautiful? It's the most wonderful time of the year. So this is the limited edition Circle Edge A2 card die set. A2 card die set. Fits in the medium size stamp pockets with the medium, or I guess it's the larger size magnet. So all of those pieces are going to fit in there, and we're not going to spend time putting them back together right now. But all of those pieces fit in there. Boom. That is the Circle Edge A2 card die set. Ooh, Chris says this. I think this is one of my new favorite card bases. Chris, okay. But anybody that loves it has to get it now. Number one, because it's on Black Friday special. But number two, once it is sold out, okay, so let's say it doesn't sell out through Black Friday, which I think it will, but if it doesn't and it goes through next week, that's fine. But once it does sell out, we will not be reordering it. We wanted to do just something kind of like a, special little, limited edition, gone, 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 gone. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.